There you go. This is one of the moments that you wonder what are you doing with your life, how it's supposed to look. So I came here for hairline, beard, and eyebrow transplant. My dad is bald, my uncle is bald, my grandfather is bald as well.
Your donor is enough for the implantation, hairs, eyebrow, beard. That's enough now. First, I want to draw your hairline.
Yes.
We will determine the hair plan, operation plan. After that, you show to me
Okay.
eyebrow. Okay.
Sounds good.
From here until here. From here until here. Can you see?
And then this part here, oh wow, look at that.
Here.
Yeah, this area, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I'm losing hair. Will I need to shave everything?
We have to shave donor area.
Okay. Not the top.
No. Now eyebrow.
Okay. I always wanted to have a full beard. There were like a few empty spaces here, so maybe that's one of the reasons why, you know, I'm considering now. I don't want to outgrow this, so I don't want to grow this, so I'm always going to be shaving this part. So probably, you know, this part here. Yeah, the consultation was really friendly. They were very patient with me, even though I was, you know, asking for many little things. But yeah, super patient. You know, super happy with how it's supposed to look.